Visual inspection is an FDA-required part of drug manufacturing in order to ensure the quality of the filled drug container. Blow-fill seal is known for its very low particle generation, both visible and subvisible. Before fill and finish your drug product in BFS, please consult your local regulatory agents on approved visual inspection for BFS and see if its excellent record of low particle generation allows your manufacturing line to meet a lower inspection threshold standard. If you would like information on guidance the FDA has given Particulate regarding our inline visual inspection process for BFS containers to be used for injectable products, please contact us.